what and when can we eat after dental implants? Let's discuss this in this particular video. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running our dental centers at Chennai, Raja and Namalapuram since the year 2001. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. We've got a new video coming out every day. So when it comes to what to eat and when to eat after dental implants, let me split it into two parts. One part is dental implant is a surgical procedure. When it comes to a surgical procedure, there are certain precautions which we need to take. So we always ask our patients, have a soft diet, not to take anything hot or spicy, because it's a surgical process. We want the bleeding to be controlled, and because we want the bleeding to be controlled, we ask the patients to avoid anything that is hot or spicy. Second is, we also advise the patient to have something that is cold. It can be something like an ice cream, something like a milkshake, a fresh juice which is cold in nature. Also have an ice pack on the outside. This is again to control the bleeding and to prevent a swelling. So this is what an immediate what to eat, how to eat after an implant surgical process. The next thing what we need to understand is, what is a food that whether we need to understand whether a tooth has been placed on top of the implant. If a tooth has been placed on top of the implant, what is the precautions that we need to take? It's very important for us to understand, always have a soft diet. Well, what I mean by a soft diet is anything that is mashed, that is anything that is like a semi-solid in nature is okay. So avoid things that are very hard in nature, like biting into nuts, bones and stuff is better to avoid it. So anything rice, something that is soft in nature are perfectly fine. If there is, and especially this is important for the first 3 weeks following the implant surgery, to avoid that anything that is hard, not to bite on that particular tooth with anything that is not to bite any hard foodstuffs with that particular tooth. Also the doctor will also give you a special recommendation how long you should be avoiding hard foodstuffs on that particular tooth, based on the implant type, based on how strong the implant has gone inside the bone and what is the type of implant that is being used. The third thing what we need to understand is, because sometimes it's not only while having tooth that there is force on the implant, or sorry, while having food there is force on the implant. It is also when we swallow food, when we swallow saliva, when we bite into a tooth, when we clench our teeth, there is also force on the implant. So to avoid the force, the doctor will also prescribe you something called a splint, which is called the occlusal splint, or a guard which you will wear it so that the force of the opposing tooth on the implant tooth is minimized. So this is also one of the important things which you need to consider for after an implant surgery. Hope you found this video useful on what to eat, when to eat, how to eat, whether a guard is necessary following an implant surgery or not. If there are any questions, please do ask in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer. Until next time, this is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Bye bye and thank you.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.